Today, we're going to be walking through the Stockdale Center here at Monmouth College. Walking in the front door and up the stairs, we'll be entering the cafeteria. At the front, you'll scan your student ID to get in. The cafeteria has a variety of options for students. There's a sandwich bar every day. This bar rotates every day, but today they're offering walking tacos. And there's always a variety of pizzas available as well. Here's the main food bar, which rotates every day. And here's the consistent burger/chicken area, which is available every single day. My go-to is the crispy chicken. As you can see, there are cards that tell you the nutritional facts for every food option available. There's a row for all your condiments, and multiple salad and fruit bars. Of course, you can't forget about the dessert table either. A student favorite here in the caf is of course the ice cream machine. Once you're finished with your meal, you can get up and place it in these rotating trays to be cleaned. Heading downstairs of the Stockdale Center, we have a very cool and new lounge area for students to hang out and eat. And we have another dining option downstairs as well, which offers tacos, burgers, chicken, a wide variety of foods. Over here connected is Scots Market, where students can grab snacks and drinks. Downstairs is also home to our very own Tartan Threads, where you can stop in and get the latest Monmouth College gear. Over here we have another very nice lounge area where students can hang out and watch TV, along with some more hangout spots. We have the mailroom down here, as well as Amazon lockers, where you can get your Amazon packages shipped directly to your box. That's going to complete the tour of the Stockdale Center. Thanks for coming along.